We all face anxiety, whether from work deadlines, social pressures, or uncertainty about the future. While many turn to medication, there are natural ways to manage anxiety, including incorporating superfoods into your diet. The right foods can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. Join us as we explore these anxiety-reducing superfoods. How does anxiety affect your health? According to a study, about 19% of the American population struggles with anxiety symptoms today. There are diverse symptoms that are associated with anxiety. They include difficulty concentrating, poor memory, stomach aches, restlessness, increased heart rate, heart palpitations, and irritability. These symptoms can pose a threat to wellness and the ability to function in daily activities. Stress is a key trigger for anxiety and panic attacks, and addressing it can help prevent anxiety. Learn how to manage stress with our guide on stress-relieving foods. For those with anxiety, dietary and lifestyle changes can ease symptoms and promote relaxation. Certain foods, rich in nutrients like vitamin D, omega-3s, zinc, and vitamin C, can help, while others may worsen anxiety. Here are the best foods to eat for anxiety relief. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an anxiety-reducing superfood worth adding to your diet. Rich in zinc and magnesium, they help regulate mood and support brain health. Just an ounce provides up to 40% of your daily magnesium, which is crucial for neurotransmitter function and mood elevation. Low magnesium levels are linked to increased anxiety. Zinc in pumpkin seeds also reduces the risk of anxiety and depression. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E in pumpkin seeds combat brain inflammation, further improving mood and reducing anxiety. 2. Chamomile tea. Made from the dried flowers of the Matricaria chamomilla plant, chamomile tea is a stimulating herbal beverage. It is renowned for its calming effects due to its beneficial nutritional profile. Chamomile tea is a great source of diverse antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which can offer potential advantages for anxiety. Chamomile tea contains apigenin, which is a potent antioxidant that can serve as a natural remedy for reducing anxiety. Several studies have linked apigenin to improved anxiety behavior. Drinking chamomile tea can help promote a sense of calmness and improve well-being. Moreover, some evidence suggests that a long consumption of chamomile tea can help decrease the symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, a spice from the curcuma plant root, is known for its earthy flavor and vibrant yellow color, commonly used in Indian and Asian cuisine. Its active compound, curcumin, is linked to numerous health benefits, including anxiety reduction. A 2015 study found that increased curcumin intake can lower anxiety risk. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help combat chronic inflammation, a key factor in anxiety and other mental health issues. Additionally, turmeric's neuroprotective qualities support brain health, further reducing anxiety and depression symptoms. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can help elevate serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a chemical compound that is produced by the nerve cells. It sends signals between the nerve cells and can help improve body functions, including mood and sleep. Consuming dark chocolate can create a feel-good feeling that can aid mood regulation. Additionally, dark chocolate can help with endorphin release, which can act as a painkiller in the brain, thereby posing as a natural mood regulator. This can help counteract the feelings of anxiety. Moreover, dark chocolate contains polyphenols like flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties that can regulate mood. It also contains significant amounts of theobromine and caffeine that can temporarily elevate alertness and mood. 5. Green tea. Green tea, one of the healthiest drinks, is rich in L-theanine and catechins. L-theanine promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness, while catechins protect the brain from oxidative stress linked to anxiety. Regular green tea consumption supports brain function and improves mood. However, due to its caffeine content, it's best to enjoy green tea in moderation to avoid insomnia. From asparagus to avocados, dark chocolate, turmeric, oranges, and yogurt, many foods can help alleviate the symptoms of anxiety and boost feelings of calmness. These foods contain many potent nutrients and antioxidants, including potassium, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, polyphenols, and flavonoids. However, to maximize the effects of these foods, it is important to incorporate them into a balanced diet. Beat anxiety with every bite by adding the above anxiety-reducing superfoods to your diet today.